I request all of the football fans living not only in Assam but across the Northeast, please come and enjoy this very important event between India and Oman. This is the World Cup qualifying event, so I believe this particular event will be very interesting and both the teams are very competitive and I believe India is winning. No doubt about it. So I wish all the luck to Indian team and Guwahati being the one of the best venue in the country, and as everybody knows, particularly the sports lover in the country, that Guwahati is going to be the sports capital of the country. So that way, in the recent past, whatever event we have hosted, it was total success and because of the people's support, and we have got beautiful crowds at Guwahati. People of Guwahati are very nice. They have always been cooperative, and in every international event, whether it is FIFA 17 Under World Cup and also international women youth boxing championship, in all the event, the people across the state took part and also they extended their wholehearted support. I wish this particular event to be a grand success. Thank you.